Hello, my name is Sasha Penfold and I'm a mechanical engineer working at Rolls-Royce. An engineer is someone who uses maths and science to solve problems, and at Rolls-Royce we design, build and test aircraft engines. I work at Rolls-Royce Filton in Bristol and joined the company as a technician apprenticeship straight from the school following my GCSEs. I've worked in lots of different areas during my career, including the engineering design office, the materials lab, customer business and product support teams, and I've worked with a range of engineers, scientists and mathematicians. I'm also a Rolls-Royce STEM ambassador, working with local schools and organisations, encouraging students to consider STEM careers such as engineering. My preference is working with our customers, ensuring they're happy with our engines and that they're functioning as they should. I enjoy being creative, working within a team, thinking up and testing ideas to solve problems. I spent a lot of time working with the Spanish Navy, supporting their Pegasus engines and their Harrier aircraft. This was the first aircraft designed to take off and land vertically, as well as flying the conventional way. I worked in Spain and Madrid at the overhaul base and at the Spanish air station in the south of Spain. Another engine I've supported is the EJ200 that is used in the UK Ministry of Defence RAF Eurofighters. This engine is also being used to help power the Bloodhound land speed record car. As part of my role as STEM ambassador, I've been lucky enough to see the car being built over the years, and I was there when it was tested at Newquay Airfield when it reached speeds of 250 miles an hour. It later reached a speed of 628 miles an hour when it was tested in South Africa in 2019. And the car is now currently waiting COVID-19 restrictions to ease before it continues testing and reaches its goal of breaking the current land speed record of 763 miles an hour. This was set by the Thrust SSC in October 1997, and this car also uses Rolls-Royce Spey engines. The Bloodhound LSR is being designed using all the latest technology and is being powered by both a Rolls-Royce engine and a rocket motor. Of all the things I've worked on so far, my proudest moment is representing Rolls-Royce, working with the Spanish Navy and being welcomed aboard their aircraft carrier and being shown around and how things work. My also proudest moment was seeing the Bloodhound car running at Newquay Airfield. I hope you enjoy your science club and I look forward to meeting you soon. Bye for now.